We were seeing that little bit of a recovery coming through back end of 2024.
Yeah.
But yeah, those latest results just sort of mucked with that trend a little bit.
Yeah.
Kia ora everyone, it's Chris and EOS here from Bayleys. This is your quick update on what's happening with the housing market. First off, EOS, so Happy New Year and Happy Chinese New Year.
Thanks, Chris. 值此新春之际，祝大家新春快乐，蛇年大吉。
Yeah, sweet. So mate, let's get into it. So first up, we had the results for December. So Real Estate Institute data on what's happening with the housing market. What are we seeing as we sort of get into 2025?
Yeah, so according to the newest data, the market is like a little bit quieter than expected.
Yep.
So the New Zealand housing market index is slightly down, but it's a mix in like regional area. The median housing price was $775,000. Overall market is like tracking sideways with no clear sign of going up or down.
Yeah, cool. So it's kind of interesting because we were seeing that little bit of a recovery coming through back end of 2024.
Yeah.
But yeah, those latest results just sort of mucked with that trend a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And then, so median house price was $775 for New Zealand. Figured we'd give you a sample of two sales around that price. So you also want to kick us off, one in Auckland?
Yeah, sure. So the one is 1 bar 33 Gills Avenue in Papakura, Auckland. Stunning Gills Avenue opportunity, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, brick and tile home with recent renovation, sold by Phil Alextons from Bayleys Papakura.
Yeah, cool. And then for me, I'm down in Christchurch, so 9 Country Palms Drive in Halswell. Charming 2-bedroom home, 2 beds, 2 bath on 422 square metres. Cute north-facing brick home with double garage. This was sold by Karen Glassy from Bayleys Rolliston. And so both of those represent that median house price of $775. Although obviously as you cruise around New Zealand into different locations, you're going to be able to buy more or less for that money. And then figured we'd touch on the outlook. So I guess those latest stats, EOS, that you mentioned sort of showed the market going basically sideways at the moment. If we look at what our brokers are saying, so we poll sentiment across our network of 1,200 agents, they generally view the housing market as being neutral at the moment. A mix of them are seeing things either improving or just sort of tracking sideways. And overall, they're not reporting any pressure on prices, although they are seeing more inquiries on both the buy side and the sell side. So kind of an interesting, like pretty stable market. Behind the scenes, EOS, there's kind of two big things that are driving that. One positive on interest rates and then one negative on stock on market. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that interest rate story?
Sure. So the positive part is about interest rate. So REINZ has decreased the OCR, which decreased the interest rate as well. So it's like much lower than 6 months ago. REINZ has also predicted further reductions in the coming year.
Yep.
So we'll probably see 1-year fixed rate continue to drop, but as for the 5-year fixed rate, we will probably see it as it is because the banks have already priced in further reductions.
Yeah, and you can already see that coming through the data and the graphs where that 5-year rate's starting to plateau. Yep. So we might start to see a little bit of that sugar rush almost wane a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I guess the big negative on the market at the moment, and this is something that a lot of our agents are talking about, is high stock on market. So there's about 29,000 homes for sale at the end of December, which is about 20% higher than the same time in 2023. So overall, just a lot of competing stock. And the way that that's coming through the market is reduced urgency for buyers because they're a little bit more distracted and maybe less worried about missing out on a particular property because they'll probably see others that are available for sale. And then the other thing that's happening is obviously the economy is a bit more fragile with the GDP growth situation a little bit sad at the moment.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And so, so if we kind of bring them together, what's our, I guess, short-term view on prices?
So we think the short-term housing prices are trading sideways because of the high supply of homes for sale right now.
Yeah, cool. So that makes sense. So like just not enough pressure there to really push prices up. Cool. And so look, to wrap up this video, we've got property of the week. So EOS, what have you got for us this week?
So my property of the week is 48 St. Mary's Road in St. Mary's Bay, Auckland. Refined residence, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms on 323 square meters. Beautiful 3-level residence that has been master fully renovated. Prime location with views of the Harbour Bridge, contact Blair Hadel from Bayleys Ponsonby.
Yeah, cool. And then for me, I'm down in Queenstown, so I've got 3/188 Domain Road in Dalefield, Stonebridge seclusion, 5 beds, 4 baths on 4,500 square metres. Premium home within Queenstown's Golden Triangle, located in the exclusive and gated Stonebridge estate. If you want to learn more about this one, contact Sarah McBride or Serena Glass from Bayleys Frankton. Well, that's it. We'll wrap up this video here. So thanks very much, Eos.
Thanks.
Yeah, sweet. And we'll see you next time. Ciao.
See ya.